In today's video I'm going to show you how to do a shell using trebles. So we're gonna define it as that 4 trebles equals 1 shell. So you're just gonna treble as normal into a assigned stitch, and you're going to apply a number of trebles into the same stitch so it creates like a fan shape or a shell, whatever you wanna call it. The designers sometimes call this different things, and if they're using different sizes of shells within one pattern, they could call it the small shell or the large shell as well. So you apply 4 trebles into the same stitch. There's your shell, and then you can just jump along and do more if you wish. So we use these quite often in patterns. They look really nice and they're kind of easy. They provide a little bit of lacy look. They're very practical, and it's something that you can enjoy. So this would be how you would do a shell using 4 trebles into the same one.